People who move to a new country are they called American Indians for the triangle in red? Are they called immigrants for the diamond in blue? Or are they called teachers for the circle in yellow? People who move to a new country are called... Blank is the number of people living in one place. Is that extinct is the number of people living in one place for the triangle in red? Is it pollution is the number of people living in one place for the diamond in blue? Or is it population is the number of people living in one place for the circle in yellow? Europe is Europe a continent for the triangle in red? Or is Europe a state for the diamond in blue? Or is Europe a country for the circle in yellow? Europe is something that is lost forever is called extinct for the triangle in red. Something that is lost forever is called population for the diamond in blue. Or something that is lost forever is called growing for the circle in yellow. We use natural resources for food for the triangle in red. We use natural resources for shelter for the diamond in blue. Or we use natural resources for both food and shelter for the circle in yellow. Which ocean did the Europeans cross long ago to get to America? Use the map to help you. So which oceans did the Europeans from over here cross to get to North America? Which ocean did they cross? Was it the Pacific Ocean for the triangle in red? Was it the Arctic Ocean for the diamond in blue? Or was it the Atlantic Ocean for the circle in yellow? Which ocean did the Europeans cross? The Pilgrims came to America in the year, was it 1776 for the triangle in red? The Pilgrims came to America in the year 1620 for the diamond in blue. Or the Pilgrims came to America in the year 1560 for the circle in yellow. Air, water, and trees are types of resources for the triangle in red. Air, water, and trees are types of population for the diamond in blue. Or is air, water, and trees types of state for the circle in yellow? And great job, that was our last one.